What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at SUI. Now, SUI is doing very well. It's been holding on very well. But the question right now that everyone is asking is this the right time to get in, because it is still high? People are saying that SUI is still high. So now the question right now is, should you get in now? And the right answer is no. Like, SUI is more like an indicator when market pumps, that okay, SUI can act as an indicator for you to know that the market needs to correct, and SUI hasn't corrected. So if SUI doesn't correct, there's also every chance for SUI not to correct low, but SUI ride this side. But there is a higher chance that when SUI corrects, you know that yes, the market is actually correcting, because SUI is kind of correlated with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin corrects to the downside, with high volume, it goes down. If it should be bearish for a very long time with high volume, then you know that SUI will have to correct very well. So by correction, I mean it will drop down how many percent to the downside? Probably SUI dropping all the way down to minus 34%, but I don't see this 34% happening because of how strong it has been over the weeks. Over the week, so or over the days. So I'll say 19-20% is possible. Yes. So currently I am not saying that SUI might not drop as low as I'm not saying that SUI cannot drop as low as $2.65. No, there is every possibility for this happening. Are you with me? There's every possibility, but all I'm just trying to say is that SUI is taking its time, but it still does not change the fact that we are still getting lower highs and lower lows. As you can see, we are getting lower highs, lower lows. So there's every chance that this weekend is going to be bearish, so we'll drop all the way down. If we get rejected from this resistance right here, we'll drop as low as $3.56. But is this where I'm expecting SUI to drop till next week? No, this is not where I'm expecting SUI to take off from. I'm expecting SUI to go lower, retest around this level, and drop as low as $3.28. Now, this is where I might probably be making a video towards this level and making a video here to let you guys know, okay, what are we expecting next from SUI. Yeah, so I would say for now, you might place a buy order around this level, 3.59, 3.57, within this range, and you can also place a buy order around 3.289. So depending on where you want to place your order, because if we move all the way down, all the way up to the daily time frame, you could see that we're still getting higher high, higher low, lower high, lower lows. So now the question is that this area being the point of control for us right here, is this area going to hold? Is this area right here going to hold? If this area is going to hold, fine, then from here we'll definitely take off. If this area is going to hold, then from here we can take off to the high side. Well, if that area is not going to hold, which is $3.28, if it's not going to hold, then I'll say our next target is definitely going to be $2.66 or 65 cents, guys. That is literally all I have to say currently, if that area is not going to hold enough, because as you can see, this area has actually not like served as a very good support over the over time, like in the past, because as you can see here, it only served as one major support, which there was kind of it was not straightforward, it wasn't holding on well. So here it served as support here, but it wasn't strong. How do I know that it wasn't strong? Because around this level right here, you could see that it wasn't holding on very well around this level. So that gives me more reason to say that okay, there's every chance for us to drop down easily. If we get to this level, we'll drop down so easily. So that is just what I'm saying for, that's all I just have to say for SUI. So yeah, that's literally all I have to say. Honestly, there's nothing for me to sugarcoat other than expect the worst. So just be on the lookout for it. we are still getting lower lows and lower highs, so expect a move to this level 3.5 or 3.6 all the way down to 3.26 or 3.28. Yeah, but left to me, I still feel there's every chance for us to drop all the way down to here, because there's still a lot of imbalance around this level right here. This imbalance here shouldn't be overlooked. Yeah, so that's just all I have to say for us. Without wasting much of your time, subscribe, turn on post notification, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, now is the right time for you to subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, turn on post notification, share this video with your friend, and also if you're a trader, look for platforms to trade. Links are down below: bybitgate.io and Weex. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.